Hi students, in this video we shall learn about sodium hydroxide, which is the salt from the lesson acid, bases and salts. So what is sodium hydroxide, children? The sodium hydroxide is also known as caustic soda. The formula for sodium hydroxide is NaOH. What is the formula for sodium hydroxide, children? NaOH. It is also known as caustic soda. Caustic soda is an alkali salt, children. Sodium hydroxide is an alkali salt. Then what is caustic soda or sodium hydroxide? Caustic soda is an alkali salt which is also called Li. Lye. It is also called Li. The chemical formula of sodium hydroxide is NaOH. This name is given to this because due to the corrosive nature of it on animal and plant tissues. It is slightly corrosive in nature, children. That's why it is called as sodium hydroxide. Then what are the properties of this caustic soda, sodium hydroxide? The first property is it is white solid. It is white solid which has a melting point of 591 Kelvin or 318 degrees Celsius, children, which consists of sodium cation Na plus and hydroxide anion OH minus. It consists of Na plus as cation and OH minus as anion. This is the first property, children. The second property is sodium hydroxide solution appears as a colorless liquid. When dissolved in water, it appears colorless and more dense than water. Its density is more than water. Clear, children? And the third one is it is a stable compound, children. It is a stable compound. Third one, it is bitter and has a soapy feel to it. When you touch it, we feel very soapy and bitter to taste, children. And the next one, it is highly soluble in water and moderately soluble in alcohol. And the next is it is a strong alkaline. It is a strongly alkaline in nature. Now we shall see how is the preparation of sodium hydroxide, children, on large scale. On large scale, sodium hydroxide is prepared by chloroalkali process, children. It is prepared by chloroalkali process. So, chloroalkali process is the process which is used for preparation of sodium hydroxide on large scale in industries, children. So, this sodium hydroxide is prepared by using brine solution. What is brine solution? Brine solution is nothing but salt solution, children. So, in this chloroalkali process, we have to take salt solution, and when you conduct electric current or when an electric current is passed through this brine solution, sodium chloride will dissociate in the water and forms hydrogen gas at the negative electrode, children. Hydrogen gas will be liberated at the negative electrode, that is cathode. This is called cathode, children, and chlorine gas is liberated at the anode. At the anode, or we call it as positive electrode, children. Chlorine gas is formed and liberated at the anode or positive electrode. You all understood, children? This is anode. Chlorine gas is liberated at the anode and hydrogen gas is liberated at the cathode. Sodium hydroxide which is obtained has 50% of solution in it, and then it is dried to give solid sodium hydroxide flakes or pellets. You all understood, children? This process we call it as chloroalkali process. Why it is called chloroalkali process, children? This process is called chloroalkali because of the products formed. Chlor means chlorine and alkali for sodium hydroxide. You all understood, children? So that is the reason why this process is called chloroalkali process. Then what are the uses of sodium hydroxide? Uses are, first is it is the major ingredient in drain and oven cleaners, children. It is the major ingredient in drain and oven cleaners. It is used in chemical manufacturing oil refining, hydraulic fracturing, water treatment and metal processing. Well understood, children? Sodium hydroxide is used in chemical manufacturing, oil refining, hydraulic fracturing, water treatment and metal processing. It is used in the manufacture of fabric, plastic, wrap, paper and soap. Now we shall see what are the uses of chlorine. Chlorine is used mostly to kill bacteria or as a bleach. Chlorine bleaches a piece of universal indicator. Chlorine is used for bleaching wood pulp required for the manufacture of paper and rayon, cotton and textiles. Chlorine is used in the extraction of gold and platinum. It is used in the manufacture of dyes, drugs and organic compounds such as carbon tetrachloride, chloroform, DDT, refrigerants, etc. It is used in sterilizing drinking water. It's used in the preparation of poisonous gases such as phosgene, COCl2, tear gas, CCl3NO2, mustard gas. Now we shall see what are the uses of hydrogen. Hydrogen is used as a commercial fixation of nitrogen from the air in the Haber ammonia process. It is used in hydrogenation of fats and oils. It is used in the preparation of methanol in hydrodealkalization, hydrocracking and hydrodesulfurization. It is used in rocket fuel. It is also used in welding. Hydrogen is used in the production of hydrochloric acid and reduction of metallic ores. Related to this concept, that is sodium hydroxide salt, children, here are some questions where you need to note down and prepare for your exam, children. The first question is, list any two main uses of caustic soda. Caustic soda is used in the following. It is used in the manufacture of petroleum products. It is used in the manufacturing of pulp and paper. Then write the chemical formula for caustic soda. Sodium hydroxide is the chemical formula for caustic soda. That is NaOH. NaOH is the chemical formula for caustic soda. Got it, children? Caustic soda removes rust. True or false? The statement is, you have to write false and give the reason, children. Caustic soda does not remove rust. Then what is the role of caustic soda in the industrial cleaning process? Since caustic soda dissolves the grease, protein, based deposits, fats and oils, it is added to water and heated to use it in the cleaning of equipments and storage tanks. Since caustic soda dissolves the grease, protein based deposits, fats and oils, it is added to water and heated to use it in the cleaning of equipments and storage tanks. Next question is, what are the health effects of caustic soda? Or you have to write, what are the harmful effects of caustic soda? Answer is, sodium hydroxide is highly corrosive and strongly irritating. It causes severe burns. Okay, students? We shall discuss few more salts in the next video. Thank you.